Hey, Adam here, founder and developer of Paid Members app for Stripe. We're a Stripe verified partner, and I'll link to our partner page in the notes below the video. We're a no-code subscription plugin that works on almost any website builder that allows you to connect your existing website to Stripe. This video is on no-code Stripe checkout with Klarna, the buy now, pay later method. Now for Stripe, you need to either hire a developer or be a developer or use Stripe payment links, but as of the date of this video, Stripe payment links do not support alternative payment methods like Klarna. So that's why I developed it for you to make it fast and easy to put a Stripe checkout button on your website with Klarna. So if you are a developer, you might want to look at the flow that we use in this video. We don't show any code, but you might want to just see the flow of Klarna, and we'll show you how to test a Klarna payment. Okay, so let's talk about setting up Klarna. Here's Klarna's website, klarna.com, pay in for anywhere. Split any purchase into 4 interest-free payments. Okay, so how do you create a Stripe checkout button with Klarna? First, go into your Stripe account and log into the dashboard. Okay, and here I am logged into my Stripe dashboard in this test company. Click on settings, and then you're just going to want to turn on this payment method. So under payments, click on payment methods and go down to where you see Klarna. There's a section for buy now, pay later, and they have Afterpay, which is one option, and Klarna, which we're covering in this video. Make sure you've done whatever you need to turn this checkbox on. And if you want to test payments like I'm going to do in this video, turn on test mode and also make sure that Klarna is turned on here in test mode. So now you're ready to set up Klarna payments. So go into Paid Members app and click on My Account. Okay, so we have a section called Stripe Alternative Payment Methods, and just go down here like I did and check the box for Klarna. And then you'll go to Setup Checklist, Payment Buttons, and even though Klarna will accept the payments over time, this is just a one-time payment. And go ahead and make your payment buttons. Either create a new pricing option, or I already have a pricing option here. I'm going to choose the USD option. Actually, I already have a button I've created with everything I need. So I'm going to go to Save Checkout Buttons and choose the US option for this account. Okay, and I think that's all we need. So just click Update Button, and we give you some code that you can embed into your site. Just embed that into your website, and as soon as you publish your page, you will see your payment buttons. And I have all sorts of payment buttons here. The one I'm going to use in this video is a USD payment, this one-time payment that says pay with card. You can also style your buttons to look like other buttons on your website, or just use the default Stripe checkout styling. And I'm going to click pay with card. And because I checked that box to turn on Klarna and it's set up in my Stripe account, Klarna will appear as a payment option. So what email do you use here for testing? So in a live environment, this would be just your customer's email, but to test it, Google Stripe Klarna, and you should get to a page that looks like this, accept a Klarna payment. And scroll down, skip over all the coding because we're a no-code solution, but you do want to look at this box here, test Klarna integration. So choose your country. My understanding is that your account has to be associated with that country. So if your account is in the United States, choose United States. If your account is another country, choose a different country. And I'm going to just copy this email that they give me here and enter that as my email and choose Klarna. Okay, you can enter whatever name you like. I'm going to choose Bob Dylan and then click pay. So you'll be redirected to a page like this to verify your details. So you don't want to enter your phone number. I made that mistake myself. Just go down here and they give you a phone number for testing. So copy that phone number and enter it. And then they'll say you should check a text, but you can't check the text because you probably don't own that phone number. So go back to the docs, and they also down here, 2-step authentication. They say any 6-digit number is valid. Don't use 9999 unless you want to test what happens when it fails. So any 6-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that should authenticate the purchase. And then you just confirm it. Okay, and now the app will redirect you back to your website, and the form will pop up to complete sign up, and enter a password and click continue. And what we do with Paid Members app is if you're locking down content on your website, we have a whole system for your customers to access this lockdown content like videos or other digital content. You can also skip this form if you want and just go to the profile form, which will have information for your customer. The benefit of this is they can log in and manage on their own account. We also have a connection to Stripe Customer Portal if you want to turn on Customer Portal and you're using that in Stripe. And then the customer is just directed to Stripe to manage their own account. So that video was on using Klarna, the buy now, pay later method with Stripe checkout with no code using Paid Members app.